Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up to get rolling, we've got NCB Financial Group here, advising of the board meeting date. It's probably the only company on the stock exchange, the JSE, that does this. It's a very good habit. A few other companies, or let's say other companies on the JSE, could look to do this. Now, the board of directors are coming out and saying that the meeting is scheduled for April 29th, 2021, and to approve the release of their unaudited financial statements for the 6 months, or the first half of the year, ended March 31st, 2021. Now, it goes on to say that it is not proposed to have the declaration of a dividend consideration at that meeting. Next up, we got Pharma Jamaica here, trading in their shares. No surprise, it's a buy. We would have carried the earnings recently on Business Live. The earnings were up 33% and change or more. The company doing really well, really showing that, healthcare sector, pharmaceuticals, this is one of the few sectors similar to logistics, a few others, food distribution, food manufacturing. We've been talking about that on Business Live, that has shown in the past 12 months has been a bit COVID resistant. Now, JMMB Group here coming out with some breaking news, big news in terms of an appointment of an executive. That's going to be Group Chief Operations Officer here, JMMB Group. That's Mrs. Patricia Sutherland, assuming the role of Group COO, as we just said, effective April 1st, 2021. Just happened. It's going to be on a 2-year contract. Now, Mrs. Sutherland currently serves as a chair of well-known JMMB Joan Duncan Foundation, and she's also director of JMMB Bank Jamaica Limited. Next up, we got here Paramount Trading Jamaica. This comes out here, redemption of their 8.75% preference shares. So not a surprise here. Yes, it's due 2021, but lots of refinancing, restructuring deals happening in the marketplace. We'd have seen this with Derriman as well recently. Expect to see some more. This won't be the last of them. So these are their cumulative redeemable 8.75% fixed rate. That's the FR preference shares due 2021. They were priced at Jamaican $2 per share. They were issued in 2019. So this is a deal here. Suspension, in trading, the shares is going to happen at the market close on April 8th, 2021. That's when they stop, and the redemption is going to happen April 12th, 2021. So those are the technicalities. Now, Pulse Investments coming out with big news here, acquiring the Villa Ronai property, which is in Stony Hill, Kingston 8. So Pulse Investments, in doing so, goes on to say they secured a very large deal here. That's financing more than we'd say the market analysts or the market thought they would have secured. So it's over $1 billion Jamaican dollars, 1.2 billion Jamaican dollars to be exact, in new financing. And the intention, real estate market folks, we keep talking about it. Caribbean cement results up 70% or more. The construction sector still very strong despite COVID the past 12 months. So what's the deal here? They're going to construct 30 2- and 3-bedroom suites or units, and the expectation is to be completed by 2024. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.